How to make plushie avatar for free. First, go to the head and body category and go to the torsos. Equip the chibi dog torso. You can choose between the colors black and yellow. I chose black. Next, go to the left arm category and equip the chibi dog arms. Do the same for the right arms. Your top half of your avatar will look like this. For the bottom half of our avatar, equip the Cindy legs. Make your avatar as short and chubby as possible. Make your head size reaching the limit. Your avatar will look like this. Customize your avatar and let the magic begin. Now you have a cute plushie avatar without spending Robux. Here's the fit. Thank me later, lols. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.